Hello and welcome to the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map installation tutorial for Mac and Windows. To hear more context about the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map before you dive in, please visit obs.la/Minecraft, which is linked in the description. My name is Ella Ritz and I'm Griffith Observatory's video production coordinator and the creator of this Minecraft map. First things first, do you own Minecraft Java on your computer? Skip ahead to the next chapter if you already own it. While the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map is free, Minecraft Java is not. In order to play this map, you will need Minecraft Java and to create a Microsoft account. Adults may purchase Minecraft Java and create an account by following the second link in the description. For technical support during this process, you can visit How Do I Run Minecraft, the third link in this description. Next step, do you have a Mac? If so, keep watching. If not, skip ahead to the Windows chapter. For Mac users, you'll want to download the Griffith Observatory Minecraft zip file, which you can find at obs.la/Minecraft, linked in the description. So you'll reach this page, you'll scroll down, this is what to look for, press the download button. For some folks, it'll take maybe a minute. Open your Finder application, and it should show up in your downloads. It's finished downloading, double-click on it to extract this folder. This might only be a Windows problem, but just open the folder and make sure you're seeing items in it like this. If you open it and you only see one or two folders, drag the one that says Griffith Observatory Minecraft map to your desktop. If everything looks just like this, then you're good to go. The folder is ready as is, so you can drag the whole thing to your desktop. This will just make the process a little easier. If your Mac asks you for your password, it's just the password to your computer. All right, and now it's on my desktop. This next step is important. If you have Minecraft open, close it, so just check. All right, so now you're going to want your Finder application open, then across the top bar, select Go, and then Go to Folder. Type in this address that you see right here. You can copy and paste it from the description, and then once you have this exact line in here, press Enter. If you did that successfully, but you can't see a single thing, it could be that your folder is hidden. So try pressing Command-Shift period to toggle files' hidden statuses. Do that same command again when you want to turn that function off. But if you pressed Enter and you see files, then you're good to go to the next step. Find the folder called Saves. Double-click to open it. If you checked carefully and you are sure you do not have a saves folder in here, simply create a new folder in here and call it saves. You'll right-click, new folder, call it saves, all lowercase, just like this. Now you can double-click to open this folder. If you've played Minecraft before, you'll see your other maps saved here. So now you can drag the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map folder into this folder. So I'm just gonna press back. Then ask for my password again. And there it is. You can exit out now and you can delete the zip file that you saved. It'll save you some space. Okay, now we are ready to launch Minecraft. It'll take a few seconds for most of us. So now we're going to make sure that we're playing the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map on a compatible installation or version of Minecraft Java. So make sure that on this sidebar that Minecraft Java Edition is selected. So as of March 2025, this map is confirmed to work on version 1.21.4 of Minecraft Java. You may attempt to play the map with earlier or later versions, but compatibility is not guaranteed. If you tried a different installation and corrupted the file, no worries, you can always re-download the map from the website, delete the old one from your saves folder, and repeat the steps that I went through. If it already says 1.21.4, then you can press play. If not, here's what to do. So at the top here, you'll go over to Installations, you'll click New Installation, name this something familiar like Griffith Observatory so you know which map you're trying to play with. Then you select 1.21.4 from the dropdown and make sure you have this little box at the bottom pressed so that everything launches really cleanly. So yeah, then you can press play. Here's our game. And before we begin, I would highly recommend clicking Options, Video Settings, and then scroll down And make sure that this brightness toggle is all the way to the right, brightness at bright. This will make the game as beautiful as it can possibly be without compromising speed on your computer. Then you can press single player and the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map should show up right here. You can press play.
Hi, I'm Pixie Iwata, Griffith Observatory's Digital Communications Coordinator, and if you have a Windows computer, keep watching. If you have a Linux computer, visit obs.la/Minecraft and view the installation instructions PDF. So first you're going to want to download the Griffith Observatory Minecraft zip file, which you can find at obs.la/Minecraft. You're going to see this, scroll down, and this is what you're going to look for. Press download, and it might take a minute, but once it's finished downloading, head to your downloads folder. Here's the zip file, and double-click on it to extract the folder. If you open the folder straight from the downloads and everything looks like this, the folder is ready to go. If you open it and you only see one or two folders, drag the one that says Griffith Observatory Minecraft to your desktop. There it is. Next, if you have your Minecraft game open, close it. Now, scroll down to this video's description and copy and paste the funky looking line of text with the percentages in it. Press Window R on your keyboard, paste the line of text, and make sure it looks exactly like this. Then click OK. Within the secret Minecraft folder, find the folder called Saves. If you don't have the Saves folder, simply create a new folder in here and call it Saves, just like this. Double-click to open this folder. If you've played Minecraft before, you'll see your other maps saved here. Now drag the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map from your downloads folder or your desktop into this saves folder. That looks good. Now load your Minecraft launcher, and we're going to make sure you're playing the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map on a compatible installation or version of Minecraft Java. This map is confirmed to work on version 1.21.4 of Minecraft Java. You may attempt to play the map with earlier or later installations, but compatibility is not guaranteed. If you tried a different installation and corrupted the file, no worries, you can always re-download the map, delete the old one from your saves folder, and repeat the steps I went through earlier. If it already says 1.21.4, you can press play. If not, select Installations on the top bar, click New Installation, name the installation Griffith Observatory, and choose game version 1.21.4. And make sure your launch after install is checked before you click install. It may take a minute. Your game will open. Before you play, I would highly recommend going into options, video settings, and then make sure the toggle for brightness is all the way to the right and says bright. This will make the map as beautiful as it can be without compromising speed on your computer. Click done, and then select single player, and Griffith Observatory should be there. There she is!
For more information about the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map, including frequently asked questions and parental guidance, please visit obs.la/Minecraft in the description. If you're having technical trouble, please visit the third link in the description for Minecraft technical support. If you encountered a problem with the Griffith Observatory Minecraft map itself or in the installation process, you may report it using the fourth link in the description, and we will review your comments. Thank you so much for playing, and we hope you have a wonderful time observing carefully.